gin and tonic. All right, so starting with our right foot and going up to the right diagonal, we're going to step forward. We're going to step together, putting our weight on both feet, okay? Because we're going to do 2 heel bounces. Bounce, bounce. Okay, and we're going to do the same thing up the left diagonal. Step up the diagonal, step together with our weight on both feet, and do bounce, bounce. Okay? So think, step together, bounce, bounce. Step together, bounce, bounce. The count will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, from here, we're going to zigzag back 4 times. That's step taps, okay? Starting with our right foot. Step, tap, step, tap. See how we're kind of going to the diagonal? That's why it's called the zigzag, okay? That's going to all add up to 8, too. We just did our 2 bounces. Make sure you step back with your right foot first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so from the top, step together, bounce, bounce. Step together, bounce, bounce. Step together, 2 bounces. Step, tap, back. Step, tap, step, tap, step, tap, step, tap. All right, section 3, nice, easy. Vine to the right with a tap, vine to the left with a tap. Step side, behind, side, together with a tap, side, behind, side, together with a tap. Okay, count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's take it from the top. Step up together, bounce, bounce. Up together, bounce, bounce. Up together and zigzag back. Step, tap, step, step, tap, step, tap. Vine right with a tap. Vine left with a tap. Good. All right, section 4. We're going to do a quarter right Monterey. This can be tricky if you're new. Just think point, step, okay? We're going to point out to the side. We're going to turn quarter right and make a step, putting our weight there, right? That's what a step is. And then we're going to do point, step to the left without turning, okay? We're just going to do point, step. So we did point, step, we just turned on that second move, right? So we did point, turn, point, step. Okay, the count will be 1, 2, 3, 4. From here, we're going to do a regular forward-facing jazz box. Remember the triangle? But instead of ending it with our feet coming together, we're going to end it with a forward crossover step. Okay, so picture the triangle. We're going to step on the point, step on the bottom left corner, step on the bottom right corner. Instead of coming together like we usually would, we're going to step across, okay? Put your weight on it, right? Putting our weight on all of these. Here it is again. Cross to the point, to the corner, and step across, and we're done. And if you notice, we're kind of angled up on the diagonal, which is going to set us up really nicely to start again with our step, step, bounce, bounce, okay? So let's take it from the top, and we'll see if we can keep going. Step, step, bounce, bounce. Step together. Bounce, bounce, step together, zigzag back, step, tap, step, tap, step, tap, step, tap, vine right and tap, vine left and tap, quarter right Monterey, point, step, get your turn in, and a jazz box here with a cross step, start again, step together, bounce, bounce, other side, zigzag back, step, tap, step, tap, step, tap, step, tap. We're going to vine to the right with a tap, and vine to the left with a tap, quarter right Monterey, point, turn, point, step, and a jazz box here, and with a cross start again, step up together, bounce, bounce, up together, step, tap, back, zigzags. We're going to vine, all right, with a tap, vine left with a tap, quarter right Monterey, point, turn, point, step, a jazz box here, and with a cross just a little bit faster, step together, bounce, bounce, step together, zigzag back, step, tap, step, tap, step, tap, vine right and tap, vine left and tap, Monterey, turn, point, step, and a jazz box with a cross. All right, so from here, notice we're back at this wall, our starting wall, right? We have a little restart, meaning that we're going to do only part of the pattern, and we're going to stop, and then we're going to restart the dance, okay? This is so that our steps will align with the music, okay? So what we're going to do is the first 16 counts of the dance, all right? And then we're going to restart. So we're going to step up together, bounce, bounce, up, together, bounce, bounce. We're going to zigzag back, step, tap, step, tap, step, tap, step, tap. And as we're doing that, I'm going to say, okay, get ready to restart. All right, and here we go, restart. Up, together, bounce, bounce, up, together, zigzag back. And we keep going from here, okay? Vine right and tap. Vine left and tap. Monterey, point, turn, point, step. Jazz box with a cross, and off we go again. Gin and tonic. 5, 6, 7, 8. Step together, bounce, bounce. Step together, zigzag back. Step, tap. Vine. Monterey, point, turn, point, step. Jazz with a cross. Step up together, bounce, bounce. Start again. Zigzag back, step, tap. Vine. Monterey, point, turn, point, step. Jazz with a cross. Step up together, bounce, bounce. Zigzag back, step, tap. Vine. Monterey, point, turn, point, step. Jazz with a cross, step up together, bounce, bounce. Zigzag back, step, tap, step, tap. Vine. Monterey, point, turn, point, step. Jazz box with 4 steps with the cross. We're going to zigzag back, and then we're going to restart. Restart now. Up together, bounce, bounce. Zigzag back. Vine. Monterey. Point, turn, point, step. Jazz with the cross, step up together, bounce, bounce. Step, tap, back. And vine. Monterey. Point, turn, point, step, and a jazz with a cross. Step up together. Zigzag. And vine. Monterey. Jazz. Up together. Zigzag. And vine. Monterey and jazz box.
Here we go. Let's get a little love drunk. Go straight to the good stuff. Soak up a little moonshine. Wake
Monterey
up to
and
a
jazz.
tequila sunrise. Pour your kisses on the rocks. Keep 'em coming, baby, don't stop. Pass out in the back of my truck. Let's
Monterey and jazz.
love drunk.
Zigzag.
Stir it up, bottle up.
Monterey.
Let's get a little love drunk. Stir it up, bottle up. Let's get a little love
Keep going. We'll